Now. No, before it gets any scarier, then you'll be too scared to go in there. And you don't even need to be in here and watch this because you get scared anytime this show's on.
Let me show you the computer for a few minutes. What time you're in.
Oh, just go get your jammies on and brush your teeth. Quickly, come on, then you can come back in here.
How do you shrink this?
I'm scared. What?
How do you shrink this down?
Eggs out there. Yeah.
He's
got it. Go in there and brush your teeth and stop. Why would you be scared?
You're going to feel very silly when this turns out that you all just make
Go brush your teeth and get your pajamas on, and then you can come back in.
Oh, good grief. What is wrong? What?
Go look in the hallway. I'm sorry, baby. You can't even see it.
Turn the whole light on.
You can't even see him. You still can't see him. He glows in the dark, but you can't. I'm sorry, baby. I know. I thought the more. I'm sorry, baby. Do you love your mommy? I told you not to watch signs. It always scares you. I told you. I don't know how to turn this back up. Oh, baby, Mama's so sorry.